Yes, sir. Welcome to my channel. About to make it happen again. It's Good Kitchen. I want to say Happy New Year's to my good families out there, my friends out there. Happy New Year's to y'all. Enjoy y'all New Year's. Stay safe. Appreciate everybody and support. Love y'all. For real. Alright, so this is what we having tonight. This is my New Year's dinner. We have our black eyed peas, our hocks, our neck bones, pork neck bones, Jiffy cornbread. So we about to make it happen right here in this Good Kitchen. So I'm about to open up these black eyed peas, and I'm gonna put a couple of them in my hands, and I'm gonna put like 2 or 3 of them each corner of my room for luck for this year. Before we do anything, before we rinse them, as soon as we open them up, we're going straight to the room. So we have our lemon and our lime in there for the neck bones. Go ahead and pour some vinegar. And that's how we go clean them bad boys right there. So let's go ahead and get it right. Let's make it happen. Okay, so here we go right here. I done made it happen in this Good Kitchen. Look at this. That's like good Jiffy cornbread. I did my thing right here in this Good Kitchen. For real. When I say this is fire, everything I did, I showed you, it was on camera. I didn't add nothing extra to it. Nothing. And everything is on hit. For real. Now remember, your pork already have a lot of salt in it. So you have to go light on the seasoning. And everything came together like it was supposed to. It did its thing for real. And then I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget that bell notification. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice. Happy New Year's. And here go my New Year's dinner. Okay, and make sure you add some black eyed peas into your wallet or your purse. You know, put you some in there for luck also. Okay, so now you want to just go through your black eyed peas. Make sure you pull these out, you know. You don't want to keep them in there. Take them out. And make sure everything is everything, you know. Just want to go through all of them. Make sure there are no rocks in there. And then you want to let them soak real good. However long you want to let your black eyed peas soak for, you let them soak. You know, pull these, you know, dark ones out. Yeah. You know, you don't want to snack on that. And just go through it. You know what I mean? Take your time. This comes with right along with cooking. You know what I mean? You take your time with your cooking and you have patience. And everything will come out right. After you're finished going through these buns, and then you let them go ahead and soak for about 30 minutes. Okay, so I want to backtrack something, and this is about the beans. Because usually you let your beans soak overnight. I was watching Cooking and Grilling with Avy. So I was watching a video he made, and it made a whole lot of sense. And the best way to soak your beans, if you're not gonna let them soak overnight for 24 hours. boil some hot water. Some nice hot boiled water. And let them soak for an hour. So if you don't want to do overnight, boil some hot water. And let them bad boys soak for a good hour. I already rinsed them real good, and they been soaking in some regular water. And then I watched the video. So I bought some hot water. So go let them soak for an hour and 10 minutes, or a good hour. Okay, so there we go right there. The beans nice and tender, ready to be cooked. We have our onions, mint garlic, bell peppers, chicken broth, neck bones, and hocks. Now the oven is ready, preheated to 400. So let's get to cooking. Okay, so we go ahead and build our flavor. So I have me some vegetable oil in there. 1/4 cup. I'm gonna add our seasoning. Chicken bouillon, tablespoon. Mint garlic. Some ground black pepper. Some garlic powder. Remember, pork have a lot of salt. So I don't have to add too much seasoning. You want everything to fall off the bone. Okay, so now we're gonna add our beans. The beans is ready. Extra tender. Like I say, my oven preheated to 400. So I throw this bad boy in the oven and let it do its thing. Okay, so now we're gonna add our chicken broth. There's 2 cups right here. And then the rest we're gonna add. Okay. Okay, so we're doing 5 cups of water. I just want to get everything down. Put this meat on top. You know, it don't take nothing for the neck bones to cook. So I'm about to go ahead and put this in the oven. We'll get these hocks in some water, like right here. And then it's going right in the oven. Okay, so there we go right there. Ready to be in the oven. Put your top on there. Let it do its thing. 2 to 3 hours. Okay, so here we go right here. Let's check the hocks. Alright. Nice and tender. The way I want it. This one fell apart though. This one right here fell apart. Yeah, that one falling apart. Nice and tender. Yeah. I didn't want it to fall off the bone, but you know, nah, that's cool. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put it back in the oven with the top off. About 15 minutes. We got this juice right here, so what we want to do is take your little spatula and just smash some of the beans so I can thicken up. Just a little bit. And then we're gonna put these bad boys back in there. Let it do its thing. Let it get a cool little color to it. Okay. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna smash some more beans up so we can make it a little thicker. Here we go. We'll get this good food on a nice plate. Okay. So here we go right here. These neck bones, tender. When I first showed it, when I first took it out the oven, I should have showed the neck bones, but they're extra tender now. Look. The bones falling out of them. Look. So the neck bones is a wrap. It's all through them beans. You know, got a nice little color. Look at that. Look at that. Nice little color, tender. I don't even want it to fall off. I just want to just take it off myself, you know what I mean? Yep. Alright, in the juice, you can see how the juice came together with the beans. It thickened up, but juice thickened up real good. So this is ready. We're just waiting on the cornbread now. Then I'm gonna get this good food on a nice plate. Happy New Year's to my good family and friends out there. Okay, so here we go right here. I done made it happen in this good kitchen. Look at this. That's like good Jiffy cornbread. I did my thing right here in this good kitchen. For real. When I say this is fire, everything I did, I showed you, it was on camera. I didn't add nothing extra to it, nothing. And everything is on hit, for real. Now remember, your pork already have a lot of salt in it. So you have to go light on the seasoning, and everything came together like it was supposed to. It did its thing for real. And then I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget that bell notification. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice. Happy New Year's. And here go my New Year's dinner.